how to blur your background on Zoom. So if you want to blur your background on Zoom, then first initiate a meeting, or you can also join a meeting. Once you've joined the meeting, now to blur your background on Zoom PC, what you need to do is once you're here on the meeting, you just need to click on background in effects, which will be on the left side of your desktop. And once you click on the background and effects, you can simply choose the blur effect and you will have the blur background. But if you're using Zoom during a meeting, then under the meeting here, you will have the start video option right on the bottom left. Under that, you will have this arrow. So you just need to simply click on the arrow, and under that, you will have blur my background option. You just need to simply click on it. Once you click on it, your background will be blurred. But if you're using your Zoom on your mobile, then you just need to simply go for more, which will be a three horizontal dots on the bottom right of your screen. And then you just need to go for settings, and you can go for meetings, and under that you will have background effects, and then you can choose the blur effect. So that's how you can blur your background on Zoom. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.